Hi guys, welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. I'm so happy you're still here with us. Alright, so today I'll be sharing with you how to edit or remove video background. Okay, now I'll be using an app and a website, so I'll be showing you two methods today. All right, there are several ways to remove background from a video, and sometimes you might actually love a particular video and you want to use it to make an advert video, but you notice that the background doesn't match with what you want to use it for, and it's a challenge. Okay, so how do we do this? Now I'll be starting with the website. I'll be going to my Chrome, and we'll be using BGREM delving. Okay, that's where we'll be getting where we'll be removing our background. It's a website, it's free to use, although the free version has some limitations. Okay, so I'm going to just type BGREM space. Okay, you can see it coming up on my phone, DEELVIN, delving. Okay, so you can actually use it to remove background from videos and pictures. Okay, unlike your bg.remove that can only remove background from pictures. So I'm going to click on upload file. I'm going to click on upload file. Okay, so I'm going to look for a video that has a background. Let me go to my gallery. Okay, let me go to download. I think I should have some videos with some backgrounds that could be removed. Alright, so I'm just going to use a short video, and this is one of, I think this is a short video. Okay, so he's sending the file to the server and is preparing it to remove background. Alright. Oh, unsupported file. Yes, it's a GIF, it's not a video. Let me look for the video itself. I'm going to click on upload file again. So I'm going to my AI gallery, and under my camera I know I had a video. Yes. So he's sending the file to a server. It's actually the same video, but the first one was a GIF. That's why it rejected it, while this is a video, an MP4 format. So check the format of your video. Make sure it's in MP4 format. Okay, if it's a GIF, it can't work on BGREM. Okay, yes. Okay, now you can see this is actually the original video. Let me mark it. This is the original video on this side, and this is the result. Okay, now I can edit the color of the background. Okay, so I'll just sweep up a bit. You can see you can change the background to anything you want it to be. A sky, a botanical view. You can just change the background to anything you want. Walls, water, or you can use color. So let me just use color. Okay, now I prefer using the green color because some other apps can actually remove any video with a green background than any other color. Okay, so I'm going to change the background to a green color. Let's look for a Okay, so yes, these are green colors, but I think I'll prefer this. Now you can see the background of my video has actually changed, and you can decide to leave it at let me remove the color and put an image behind it. Okay, let me use the wall, maybe it will be better. There are several walls. I'm just showing you so you can see how to manipulate the background of your video, okay? Alright, you can see the background has actually changed to, you can see, so you can just play around it, and once you're done, you can click on download, okay? To download it, just click on continue. And well, you can choose optimal for pro version, but since it's a free version, you just use the low quality. I'm going to click on continue, and it's removing background from my picture and it's changing it to that background. Okay, so let's just wait for it to move from that 0% to 100%. So once it's at 100%, everything is set. So 393, okay. Yes, 100% done. Yes, and I'm just going to click on upload, download rather, to get the video to my gallery. Alright, you can see the video is downloaded already. So that's how to use BGREM to remove background. Now I'm going to take it to another app where we are going to remove video background. So having removed our background from BGREM, you can also use another app, okay, CapCut, to remove background from your videos, okay, and I'll be showing you how to use that in a GV. Okay, so I'm launching my CapCut app. You can get your CapCut app from Play Store. Yes, it's free and free and free and free. Yes, so I'm going to click on new projects. I'm going to click on new project to start my work. Okay, new project. So I'm going to look for the video I want to remove the background. Okay. Okay, let's wait for it to load out so I'll know which of the video I'm using. Okay, so let me just use this. This is just a 30-second video. Alright, so now my video is actually here. Now to remove the background, all I have to do is click on this and make sure the edges are highlighted. This is what I mean. Look at this edge is highlighted. Okay, the video is actually highlighted. You achieve that by simply clicking on the clip. Okay, you can see. Now once the video edge is highlighted, then I'm going to look for remove background. You can see. Now remove background is actually there. Now once you click on remove background, I'm going to select chroma key, and I'm going to select color picker. Now the difference between BGREM and CapCut editor is this: BGREM removes all of the background without asking any question, while CapCut editor removes a particular color or a particular background. So the color picker is just to select the part that you want it to remove. Now I'm clicking on this, just bring it close. Now, and I'm going to click on intensity. You can see that only that, you can see all of those colors highlighted. is the one that is being removed. Okay, now let me click on the green, which is the grass. Okay, let me go back to color picker, then click on the green color, which is the tree, then click on intensity. You can see. Okay, now you play around the intensity until your background is removed. Okay, this actually work perfectly with a green background. Okay, you can see that that leaf is not there again. Instead, it's showing another thing. Okay, so but let me look for a different video. Okay, with a green background. So I'm going to just delete this first, or let me just add a different video as an overlay. I'm looking for a video with a green background. Okay, yes, I have one here. Then I'm going to add. All right, remember you must highlight the video. Now if I want these two videos to overlay and I don't want this green background to be there, okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Click on remove background, chroma key, then select the color, then go to intensity and work on it. You can see that background is gone, right? Now let me play the video. Now, just like I said, you can see it only removed that green color. You can see. Now, if I want to remove the white, I'm going to do the same thing. Once it gets to this white, I'm going to chroma key again. Then I'm going to color picker and select the white color. Okay. Now you can see. So with CapCut editor, you have to remove each of the colors one after the other. While with BGREM, everything is gone in a jiffy. Okay, so you can see those colors have not removed, they are still in the video, but those colors have removed and no longer there. All right, everybody, now you can see the video is actually overlaying on the other one. That's why once the video ended, you can see the other part of the video. Yes, and once you're done, you click on this to save it. Click on this, click on this part, sorry, click on this, then you change it. So change it to 1080, that's 1080 pixel, which is the highest pixel, and you change the frame rate to, then you click on upload, which is this arrow here. You click on this arrow here to upload it, and you have to wait for CapCut to export the video. Okay, you can see it's exporting. In about 2 to 3 minutes it should be done. Okay, so just hold on for the video to save, and once the video is saved, it's mostly in the camera. Just go to your camera, you'll find your video there. Yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful to you. If you have any other question, please feel free to ask. Drop it at the comment section and we are going to get back to you. Is there any video you want us to make? Please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.